Huh. You ever play something at home that you know how to play, but it just sounds really weird and you don't know why? It's probably because your guitar is out of tune. We've already learned in class that the strings have numbers, right? This is our first string, and then we have our second, third, fourth, fifth, and at the very top, the really thick one, that's the sixth string. But if we're going to tune our own guitar, we also need to know that every string has a letter name. And if we start up here, the letters go E, A, D as in dog, G, B as in boy, E. And we can remember that by saying, elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Once you know the names of all the strings, then you're ready to go to a tuner. I like to use an app on my phone because it's free and it's easy. The app I've chosen today is called Guitar Tuner. It's on Android and iPhones. So remember the mnemonic device for remembering the names of the strings. Elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Or E, A, D, G, B, and E. You'll want to make sure that you uncheck the auto setting on your app and you just choose the string that you want to tune as you tune it. So now I'm ready to tune my first note, my low E string, or the sixth string. Its tuning peg is right here. So I'll go ahead and play the note, and I can see that the little arrow is on the left side, which means that the note is too low. So to tune it up, I turn the knob counterclockwise like this. And I always want to make sure to watch the screen and have the note playing while I'm turning the tuning peg. So you'll notice, once it's right in the middle, that means you're in tune. Let's try it with the next one. So first, I choose the string, which is the A string. And A is this one right here, just like it lights up on the screen. Let's see what it says for my A string. Wow, that's way too high. Over on the right means too high. Let's see if we can get it into the middle. So to tune it down, I'm going to rotate it clockwise, like this. Making sure that the note is playing and I'm watching the screen. And I've got the check mark, so that means it's in tune. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go through to the next one, D. It's too low, so I'll turn it counterclockwise. And the check mark means I'm in tune. On to the next one, G. It's too high, it's on the right side. So one thing I want to point out about the tuners that are on the bottom, they actually change directions. So that time to tune it down, I went counterclockwise, whereas up here to tune it up, I go counterclockwise. So let's try this one. Let's try out our B string and see what that is like. So this one's too low. So normally if I wanted to tune it up on this side, I would do counterclockwise. But we're at the bottom, so that means I have to reverse the direction. So to tune it up, I'm going to turn it clockwise. And the green check mark means I'm good. Now for the last string. This is my high E string. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, it's all the way on the left side. So that means it's too low. So that means to tune it up, I need to turn it clockwise because we're on the bottom set. It's right in the middle, and the green check mark means I'm good. So now that we have everything in tune, let's try that first riff again. better. So now that you're all in tune, you are ready to rock out, and I will see you all in class.